same din yung movement, ha? Walang pinagkaiba. Baka mamaya, iba lang technique. Ayaw, hindi nyo na alam yung gagawin nyo ulit. Ating. Cut. Here. Switch. Okay, from here. Switch. Thank you. Step forward. And here. And lock. Thank you. Again, observe. So yung pagano, kaya ako pumupunta rito, here, tapos dito pa rin space ko paharap sa kanya, kasi umuti. So from here, switch. So from here, switch. So, ba't hindi ito yung panggigigilay nyo, ha? From here, here. And lock. Pagkila. Okay, yun yung paglabas. Diba? So, dito, one. So, hindi na ako doon. Dito na ako sa labas. Okay. From here, switch, thank you. And here. Then, so, ating out. And